Wish you very happy evening to you all, and thank you so much giving me such a beautiful opportunity. I would love to say welcome to all of you. Swati Maurya, sorry, Vanshika Pandey, Ronak, and Rekha Tiwari. It means Krishna. So I would say only one thing today. Just like as every Friday we just continue the public speaking, today as also we will continue the public speaking. What is the meaning? I would love to tell you each and everything, but before that you will have to keep listen to me. You will have to analyze how I'm using hand gesture, how I'm using my eye contact, how am I speaking on the public speaking, right? But before that, I'm requesting to all of you, if you are thinking that it would be sufficient for you or it would not be, before that you will have to analyze what is public speaking. But I would say only and only one thing. See, whatever you just learn, anything, it is very important when you are getting the opportunity to learn something. Either the thing is whatever, but the thing is must be related to your education, relate of to make yourself, to make your personality, to make your public speaker. For that things, it is very important how you can communicate in front of the people, how you can communicate in the public place, so that you also can understand this is the public speaking. See, when you just interacting with four or five people at the time, you are okay. But what happened with you when you just go into the public place, or maybe in among many people, among multiple people who has different mindset, who has different age category, and as well as who just think about you, maybe something is great or maybe something is nothing. But you don't have to care about those people having negativity for you. You will have to keep these things in your mind, that at any how you will have to give 100%. But for that things, how can you give 100% from your side if you are not okay with that, if you are not comfortable with that, if you are not too much confident? For the boosting your confidence, I would love to say one thing. You will have to do it only one thing, only one key. If you will use this key, definitely you can unlock your luck. If you think luck is everything, yes, absolutely. I agree with you all that luck is everything. But if you will have key of the luck lock, definitely you can open the lock or you also can close the lock. It is only and only up to your luck. It means the key would be in your hand of your luck. So definitely everybody want that, oh, I would be really amazing personality. Oh, I would be a richest personality in the world. Oh, I would be very talented in my life. So in this situation, how would you go with that? You will have to do it only one thing, believe in you, so that of course you can go with that the full of consistency learning, as well as you will have to keep patience. Then definitely one day you will be, but only and only by the hope, by the expectations, you cannot do any kind of thing. For that things, you will have to do it your karma, you will have to do it your effort. For that things, if you will putting your efforts on daily basis every time, if you will try to learn anything by your karma, definitely one day you will achieve. I'm sure about that. I'm just giving the guarantee to all of you, you will achieve. But for the achievement, don't you think so? It is very important to put your efforts. It is very important to do hard work. Yes, absolutely. It is very important. If you are actually going with your efforts with dedicatedly, definitely that hard work will teach you how to make yourself as a great person. It means if you are actually putting your eyes on the hard work, definitely one day you will be a smart person in the world. And who is the smart person? Just look at that, the Amazon owner. Definitely he is a smart. Now We cannot say that he is doing very hard work. No, because he is using the mind, and that is why he is just generating the money every single second. You also can see Bill Gates. I don't know. I don't have too much knowledge. Then Bill Gates is very richest or not. But I always put it the eyes. Then who is trying to making money without putting effort? Definitely that is Bill Gates. Every second he is successful to generate not single money. He is generating whose amount in the bank account. And how is that possible? Because when he just started his journey, at the time he just did really blunt of hard work, but today he is very great smart in that. Why? Because he just started to do something to do great. Now he is great. Similarly, if you want to be a great public speaker, in a beginning of time, definitely you will be hesitate. Maybe people actually trying to pull your legs. Maybe people trying to make you fool, and maybe people just start to jealous from you. But you will have to think about it, what is right for you, what is not right for you. For that things, let that be what is not right for you. You will have to come up which thing is very important and right for you. So the right things for you, only and only you will have to keep learning, and you will have to keep go with that. If you are doing mistakes, it is okay. If you just think that people making fun on you, it is okay. In a beginning of time, if you are doing mistake, it means this is the biggest achievement. If people actually laughing on you or you are doing mistake, it means why it is the biggest achievement. Because you just start your journey to do something, and you are not putting your eyes people, लोग क्या कहेंगे, what will people say about you, that what you are doing. So in this situation, it means now you just start to think about yourself. So I would love to request you all, and I would love to suggest you all, my dear people, then you will have to think about you, about your important, about your improvement, and about your growth. For that things, you will have to side all things about the people mentality. Maybe they are very negative, but you will have to be very careful and very positive, and you will have to be favor of the positivity that you are the best in the world. For that things, if you will think that you are the best in the world, that motivation give you to do more and more. If you will do more, definitely 24 into 7, when you are doing, when you just trying do it, then what happened, that you don't need to feel, I am feeling sleepy and I want to take rest. You cannot feel that you are feeling swamped, you are feeling anxiety. You are just think, when people actually trying to make criticize to you, at that time you think, how can I get the time to listen the people? How will I not do it to do something, so that I also can be successful to side the people negativity vibrations. For that things, because you don't have time to think about anything, you have time only think about your personal and professional, how you can make super duper personality. This is called of supercalifragisticexpialidocious personality. If you want to be supercalifragisticexpialidocious personality, it is very important. You will have to be very smart kid, you have to be very wise. For that thing, what will you do? You will have to do it, only do it. See, there is only one quotations: do or die. Do and die means karo ya maro. You also have heard that slogan, which is actually which was actually continued the this slogan by a leader, and who is Indian leader. So definitely you have options, do or die. So definitely you cannot die, but there are many people who just prefer to die before the death. How? Because of that, they don't want to do anything, they just want to accept, I cannot do it anything. If you do not want to do anything, definitely for that thing, you will have to do it something great. That's all about me. Thank you so much giving me such a beautiful opportunity. And definitely, I am requesting to you all. You will have to start your public speaking. For the public speaking, what will you do? You will have to speak up, speak up, speak up. And when you just get the opportunity to speak in the public, do not afraid, never ever try to afraid. If you're thinking that you are doing many mistakes, it is okay, just learn by your mistakes, so that definitely you can be so much habitual, you can be so much comfortable while speaking in English, while communicating with somebody, while presenting yourself with full of attentions and presentations. Have a great day. Good night, sweet dreams. Bye.